each of the 4 values that we've got. So accountability, integrity, progression, and enjoyment. Make up some words or sentences of what it means to you. What would you say our why is?
When you drive through town, you feel a certain sort of pride. You know, you could say to the kids or grandkids in the car, we did that one, and that brings some pride.
So our vision, to be the leading waterproofing and concrete repairs provider in New Zealand. Most of you probably think that's already who we are, but what we realised is that we still want to strive to be better, we want to remain the best, and that we can't be complacent.